Venmo Tap to Pay transforms your iPhone into a contactless payment terminal, allowing you to accept payments without extra hardware. Powered by Venmo's secure system, it uses NFC technology built into iPhone's XS and later models to process transactions when customers tap their card, phone, or wallet. Near-field communication enables secure, short-range data transfer. To use it, you'll need a Venmo business account linked to your bank for secure deposits. When a customer taps, payment is processed through Venmo's secure system and deposited directly into your linked bank account. Perfect for freelancers and small businesses. Available in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and parts of the EU as of November 2025. First, ensure your iPhone runs iOS 17.1 or later and update the Venmo app. If you don't have one, create a Venmo business account within the app and verify your identity and bank details. Then go to Settings, Business, tap to pay within the Venmo app and toggle it on. Link your bank account for payouts. To accept a payment, open the Venmo app, enter the transaction amount, and instruct your customer to tap their card or device against the back of your iPhone. A confirmation will appear on your screen once the payment is processed. You can then send a digital receipt to the customer via email. Venmo charges a fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Remember to keep your iPhone steady during the tap and inform customers to hold their card or device in place until the transaction completes.